Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two nitrile gloves. So on the left, these are the Inspire, and on the right, these are the ForPro. These are 4 mil. The ForPro is 4 mil thick, and the Inspire is 6 mil thick. So again, they're both powder free. They both go on super easy. Let's take a look at the Inspire. It is definitely thicker. And since it's thicker, it's not as flexible. I mean, it's a little tighter. This is a 2X, and I normally wear a 2X. And that fits me fine. So if you're gonna get the 6 mil, you may wanna go up a size or the size that you normally wear. Now, over here on the 4 mil, I normally wear a 2X and I have no problem putting this 4 mil on. It goes on just fine and grips just fine. Strength-wise, the 4 mil is really, really strong, see? Eventually it does tear. Let's check out this one, the 6 mil now. It's definitely gonna be a lot stronger. Okay, let's see if I can tear it. Oh boy, I can't really tear it. Oh wow, I can't tear it. But eventually, you know, if you snag it, it is going to tear. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.